व्हाट्सअप, दिस इज श्रावणी एंड वेलकम टू वली यप्स। तो मैंने शुरू कर दिया अपना यूट्यूब चैनल। और मैंने क्यों किया है? बिकॉज यू गाइज वांटेड टू लर्न अबाउट विच क्राफ्ट, सो हियर आई एम। तो मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ, देखो, आई ट्राइड बीइंग एस्थेटिकली प्लीजिंग ऑन यूट्यूब बिकॉज मुझे यूट्यूब थोड़ा फॉर्मल लगता है, बट मेरे से नहीं होगा, तो इट इज़ वॉट इट इज़। ओके, तो पहली बात तो ये, जो विच क्राफ्ट चीज़ होती है, it comes with pros and cons at the same time. It is very dark. If you do any kind of like spell or something, make sure you gotta do few things. So witchcraft is more about healing, self growth, confidence, clarity, intention. And on the dark side, it's more of like trying to control someone, trying to force something in your life, controlling someone, manipulating someone or your life, or manipulating your life, and all kind of stuff like connecting with evil spirits and other stuff. That is dark witchcraft. And the biggest difference between dark witchcraft and soft witchcraft is that in soft witchcraft there is no backfire kind of thing. There's nothing gonna be harming you. I have studied dark witchcraft as well, and I have seen the consequences as of that part as well. I tried dark witchcraft and I got scared as fuck. I got scared as fuck and I decided I'm gonna stick to witchcraft but soft witchcraft. So this is the difference between a soft witchcraft and a dark witchcraft. Then later on, spells कैसे work करते हैं soft witchcraft में? So in soft witchcraft, what it actually there is, it is more about working with your emotions, belief, and focus. How much your mind can be focused on a particular thing that you are making it happen in reality. So the three main factors is like belief, your focus, emotion. Like if you focus on something with like strong emotion, it just slits into your subconscious. Okay, and the belief makes the subconscious thing be more stronger. Okay, it's like it's gonna happen, it's happened, it's like fucking like reality of mine. So that's how the soft witchcraft works. It's more similar to manifestation, but little bit with more of the quick results kind of, we can say, like more of like putting an extra effort to make it in reality. We use moon, candles, and herbs. Like witchcraft is done on a particular angle of moon. Why we do that? Why do we use particular herbs, and why do we have the candles in it? So we lit a candle to indicate, to like just alert your subconsciousness that it's gonna be an important moment of our life. And moon represents emotions, so it connects the particular moment to your emotions. And by using herbs, it's more of like a particular herb have a particular meaning, so it just tells the other side that this particular herb is getting used, so we gotta pick that energy from that particular side. By using a herb, you're making it clear that this particular moment is used for this particular intention. So this is how you set a correct intention. So this is why we use candle, moon, and herb. I have tried and tested dark witchcraft, and that backfired to me as hell. I was going through something that I really wish no one could ever go. And for that reason only, so I don't prefer doing dark witchcraft. And even in soft witchcraft, I go to few safety precautions that I always want you all to follow along. If you do thoda upar niche, please don't do that. I feel I got to stop this then. So in safety, there is this particular one like really important thing that I usually do in my day-to-day life as well, even if I'm not performing any kind of spell. It's gonna help me out one or other way. It's grounding. So what is grounding? I'm gonna tell you guys. So grounding is something I have mentioned it lots of time in my YouTube, Instagram reels as well. It just like standing up and then taking like really good 3 breaths, like करके, ठीक है? After you do that, you got you know, feel that your feet is touching the ground. There is some like white light coming from you. Like you imagine this is some white light you see in the movies कि like heroine जब आती है, you're the heroine girl. So तुम्हारे बगल से एक सफ़ेद कलर की लाइट आ रही है, तो तुम उसको लाइट को इमेजिन करोगी. And once you imagine that, you have to at the same time imagine that there is some black shadow which have zero intention of harming you, coming from a door, and it is for your protection. It's like your personal bodyguard. Okay, girl, you're the main queen, you need a bodyguard. With that pretty face, you need a bodyguard. Once you do that, you have to imagine this shadow is not like standing behind you, not in front of you, but right next to you. What is right? Okay, right next to you. Okay, my bad. And once you do that, you have to feel that this energy, this shadow is bigger than you, and it's kind of like whatever negative gonna come, this energy gonna absorb into it. Okay, so you gotta imagine that. And once you do perform this, you gotta again take 3 breaths and then again feel your feet to the ground, and you have to just keep the white light around you all the time, and just then you can perform any kind of spells. Even if you're not any performing any kind of spells, I will just say try this. I would just say try this exercise daily, and you can see the change by yourself. Like things would get start being better, because put a nazar on you, and this black shirt of yours gonna take all the nazar on him. He's fucking lover boy. Okay, so you gotta make sure you do grounding. That is a safety. So let's just be this much only for today's video. I want to see you guys response, and then we can go ahead. Now I'm gonna assign you all a practice, and from this practice there are gonna be certain results in your life, and you gotta update me on that results, and then we will move forward to the actual witchcraft that you guys are very excited about. I know. Okay, तो तुम लोगों को क्या करना है, आज रात एक कैंडल ले लो, उसको जलाओ, क्वाइटली बैठ जाओ, कुछ सोचो मत उसके कुछ के बारे किसी के बारे में. जस्ट फील ग्रेटफुल अबाउट एवरीथिंग दैट यू हैव इन योर लाइफ. Tiniest thing, that you can afford your makeup, you can afford the clothes that you wanna wear, anything. Okay, कुछ भी हमारी जिंदगी अगर नेगेटिव भी जा रही है, pick something that is positive in your life. अगर वो भी नहीं है तो I'm sorry. Now think of one thing that you want and feel it like it's already happened in your life. Do that. Just don't talk about your wish, don't tell anyone about this wish, and just let it be. Like हर चीज़ का ढिंडोरा मारने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ओवरशेयर नहीं करना है आपको, ठीक है. So this is gonna help us all to start working with our energies. Then and then only we can, direct this energy. अभी तुम्हारी energy बहुत बिखरी हुई है. You gotta collect your energy from like the places, from the people they had, like तुमने waste कर रखी उस पे, तो तुमको वो वापस लानी है अपने पास, ठीक है. And once you do that, we can start working on more on this energy, like directing it to a particular point. Because if you're asking for a particular whatever you want in your life, whatever, like let's say a job, you gotta work hard for it. That is like you're putting your energy into something. Okay, you're putting your energy into studying, and you're getting a board's marks and all stuff. So it just energy ka khel hai. You're collecting your energy from one point, and then directing it to other point. So this is how we gonna start working with our energies, and we gonna come up with the spells that are gonna actually work out for you. Because most of the time people know the spell, but they can't make it happen into reality. Because like दीदी यार आपने बताया पर ये work नहीं किया, क्योंकि तुम्हें तुम्हारी energy collect करनी है और direct करने में नहीं आती है. So this is like really start of a video. I want to check what kind of responses you guys do, because it takes lots of energy to sit and teach. And being a witch, I want to focus my energy on like points where it matters. And if I'm putting energy here, I want you all to actually work on it and actually give me a proper feedback that how you guys gonna feel, how you guys are actually doing it. Because witchcraft, you're not gonna get it on the internet. You need a mother witch, and I want to be a mother witch. That was all about today's video. I know you guys will be like, अरे spell नहीं दिया. Guys, spell तुम डायरेक्टली नहीं कर सकते. अगर तुमने कर भी दिया, वर्क नहीं करेगा, बैकफायर करेगा. सो लेट्स गो प्रोसेस बाय प्रोसेस ना. तुमको अगर चपाती बनाना सीखना है तो पहले आटा गूंदना तो सीखना पड़ेगा ना. सो अगर तुमको चपाती बनना सीखना है तो मेक श्योर यू फॉलो, सब्सक्राइब एंड hit that thumbs button. Oh my god, I wanted to do this for so long. Okay guys, bye. Okay, wait, beauty shots. So call out my name. चलो, काम धंधे नहीं है क्या?